तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
Early life. He was born in Sisana village, Sonipat district, Haryana to Chaudhry Hira Singh. After his schooling and 1 year's study at the Jet College, Rohtak, he joined the army. He was married to Dhano Devi, who is still alive as of March 2019. He was commissioned in the Grenadiers Regiment of the Indian Army on 30th June 1963 and was promoted Lieutenant on 30th June 1965. His first posting was in NEFA, citation needed, in the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. He saw some action in the Rajasthan sector, for which he was mentioned in dispatches. He was promoted to Captain on 30th June 1969. Honored with Paramveer Chakra during the Indian War of 1971. The 3rd Grenadiers was given the task of establishing a bridgehead across the Basantar River in the Sakargarh sector from 15 to 17 December 1971. The river was covered with deep minefields on both sides and protected by well-fortified defense by the Pakistani army. Major Hoshiar Singh, commander, company was ordered to capture the Pakistani locality of Charpal. The Pakistani army reacted and put in sharp counterattacks. Major Hoshiar Singh went from trench to trench, motivating his command and encouraging his men to stand fast and fight. As a result, his company repulsed all the attack, inflicting heavy casualties on the Pakistani army. Though seriously wounded by enemy shelling, Major Hoshiar Singh again went from trench to trench, moving about in the open with utter disregard to his personal safety when an enemy shell landed near the medium machine gun post, injuring the crew and rendering it inoperative. Major Hoshiar Singh, realizing the importance of machine gun fire, immediately rushed to the machine gun pit and, though seriously wounded, himself manned the gun, inflicting heavy casualties on the enemy. The attack was successfully repulsed and the enemy retreated, leaving behind 85 dead, including their commanding officer and 3 other officers. He refused to be evacuated till ceasefire. Throughout this operation, Major Hoshiar Singh displayed most conspicuous gallantry, indomitable fighting spirit, and leadership in the highest tradition of the army. He was awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his bravery and leadership. He was also mentioned in dispatches.